Broadcast mode is different from using the direct method of connection. Broadcast mode is excellent for finding telephone or cable TV lines as they exist. Broadcast mode uses an inductive antenna located in the transmitter case to broadcast a signal around the case to an approximate 25-foot radius in all directions. Place both the transmitter and receiver in the broadcast mode by selecting Broadcast on the selector switch. Place the Pro700D transmitter on the ground over the cable you wish to trace and turn it on. Do not tightly shut the transmitter case as it will turn the transmitter off. The transmitter is now inducing signal approximately 25 feet from it and energizing any conductors in that field. You may now trace any conductor that has picked up that signal. When the user is within 25 feet of the transmitter, you cannot trace a cable because the signal from the case itself will overpower the induced cable signal.